Hi, I'm George, here to introduce you to our new vegetarian centrepiece. Wonderful, decadent Shallot, Stilton and Celeriac Tarte Tatin. Wonderfully crisp puff pastry, superbly roasted celeriac, all layered with a delicate and well-balanced Stilton sauce. That sauce is super oozy, so it does run out of the middle and make this amazing sauce. It's also topped with a ring of lovely roasted shallots, and in the centre we have a Christmassy caramelised red onion chutney, which pairs beautifully with everything in this dish. When you pull it out of the oven, leave it to rest for about 2 minutes, then run a knife around the outside and really confidently flip it over onto a chopping board or a plate or whatever you're choosing to serve it on. It needs to be a confident flip so it comes out in one and we don't lose any of that topping. If there is any of the chutney left in there though, just give it a good scrape out and pop it on top, that's absolutely fine. Today we've served it really simply with a mixed leaf salad, some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. If you did want to make it a bit more substantial, please do feel free to serve it up with a nice bulgur wheat salad, some nice roasted vegetables. This is a surefire winner that not just vegetarians will like, everyone's going to love this. So do go and buy one and give it a go.